Hey guys, whenever we do a truss access or constricted access cavity or even caries driven access cavity, it's most of the time forgotten about the pulp horns or constricted areas of the pulp chamber. These areas can potentially lodge a lot of pulp tissues and necrotic debris. These things have to be taken in account and supposed to be cleaned properly and filled sufficiently. If it is not cleaned properly, it will have the high chance to failure, and if it is not filled sufficiently, there is a high chance of the compromised strength for the particular tooth, so that it's supposed to be cleaned sufficiently and filled properly. For this purpose, we have a special instrument, that is our U file. Here what I have used is a modified U file. The modified U file allows us to clean these pulp horns and constricted areas of the pulp chamber. We shall modify the U file according to the cavity design. For every cavity, we may need a separate design of the U file. Whichever the way the operator is convenient, that way the U files can be bent and used accordingly. So this could be a good tip for the cleaning of pulp horn and any other constricted areas in terms of constricted access or truss access. And this picture shows the coronal restoration with the pulp horns filled. This is how the coronal restoration supposed to be there if we are attempting for caries driven access or truss access or any other constricted access cavity. Thank you.